Alright, I'm going to go over how to create your homepage. So, by default, when you install the theme, or if you don't have a homepage set up, your homepage will just be the latest blog posts. So, let's go ahead and add a page, and we'll call this page homepage. And let's go ahead and publish this page. And the next thing we need to do is under page attributes. Under template, we select homepage. Pretty simple, make sure you do that one. So now that we've created our homepage and set the template, we can go under settings and reading. And instead of front page displays, instead of your latest posts, you want to display a static page. So that's going to be homepage. And then now we can go ahead and go to our homepage, and it's pretty blank. Obviously the slider would go up top, that's covered in another set of videos, and then our content goes below. So we can actually just go in and start adding some things. So in our live preview, the first thing we have is a tabbed area, and that's just basic shortcode content. So for example, if I update this page, you can see the thing at the top is content. So all we need to do to create that tabbed area is just create a tabbed area. We can create those three tabs by adding another tab. Let's call this one tab 3. And now you can see that we have those 3 tabs that we have in the live preview. And you can add whatever content you want in there. You know, we had some images and things. And then the next thing we had was these 3 boxes. So that's pretty easy to add in as well. And those are added a different way. You could do that with shortcodes, with 1/3 shortcodes. Or what you can do is we have this cool thing built in. They're called little homepage feature boxes. So each box is 1 page. So I can, it'll make a lot more sense if I show you. So if we add a page, we can call this, I'll call this feature box 1. And we can add some content. I'm just going to pull this from the live preview. Alright, and we paste that in. And I can center it like the live preview with that center button. And the way to make this feature box show up on our actual homepage is under page attributes parent, we just select our homepage. And we can publish this. And I'll show you how that displays. And you can see it displays right here under our homepage. Alright. And then to add your image, you can either add an image just straight up to this text, or you can add a featured image. And I'm going to add that featured image for you guys. And so we'll set that featured image right down there. And then that image will pull in right above your box, just like the live preview did. And then a couple things to note, you can change the order right here. So this one will have our first box. Let's go ahead and add another one, feature box 2. And that'll be order 2. And then we'll have some text in there that's centered. We can upload a featured image, set featured image. And then we'll set that featured image so it displays down there. We can publish this. Oh, we need to select it as the parent. Homepage will be the parent all the time. And then these boxes will start filling in. I'm going to go ahead and add that third one real quick. Parent, homepage, order number 3. Let's add this last icon, set it as a featured image. Select that, featured image, publish. So now we have those 3 feature boxes. And it's pretty cool because we have some theme options under appearance and theme options. So under homepage, you can actually adjust this counter. So if you want to have 4 columns instead of 3, you can do so as well. Or 2 columns instead of 3, you can do that as well. You have a lot of customizing abilities for those home